everyone. What we're going to do today, we're going to be doing triangle constructions, but we're going to focus on question number 9. So our question says, given the longer segment below as a side, the shorter segment as the altitude to the side, and the angle as the angle opposite the given side, construct a triangle. So we're going to be using this information to construct a triangle. So first of all, what we do when we're constructing a triangle, we're going to do a line segment. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do a line segment. The line segment has an arrow in this end. So this is one end and this is the other end. So on this end, we do a point. So this point means this is where we're going to start. And we're going to name this point A. So now what we need is we need to know where does the other point go. So what we do is we're going to use our information that we were given. So in our information it says the longer segment below as a side. So the longer segment below as a side. So we're going to use this one as a side. The shorter segment as the altitude to the side. So we're using the shorter segment as the altitude. So we're going to use our compass, and we're going to use to measure it. So we do measure. Here we find our measurement and we take it. Make a line. So we find our point there. So we can say this point is point C. We can say that is point C. And then after that, we go back to our information and we make an arc. We take this arc and we do it right here at the start of our, sorry about that, yep, and we make our arc. There it is. And then we go measure the distance between. So there and there. So there's our distance, and we make another arc from this point where the arc finishes, and we make another arc. So in our arc, we know, so this line we have to draw a line that goes through here. It can also go as long as it wants. So this is our other line segment that we're doing. So now we want to find another point that should be on this line to stop it, to where it doesn't have to go as long as it wants. So we go back here and we take our measurements.
Why are we taking that line?
We're taking this line because in our instructions we were told that the longer segment below, we use it as a side. So we're using this segment as our side. So as we've already given our line segment, so now we see where it starts, and now we wanna find the way it finishes. So we're taking this line segment as we instructed, and now we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna have our finishing point, or our end point. And then we put it, okay, do an arc here. So let me just longer my line because I made it shorter. And then longer my line segments. So that's where they meet. So which is, we have a point there. Let's see if we do this in this direction also. Let's take the measurement. So we take the measurement and we put in our, there it goes. It meets there. So these are our sides. Now let's close that. It meets, and we can say that is point B. So this is our triangle that we found. So thank you very much.